Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos, sit properly, take out the mathematics textbook and running notes. Okay, in last class, in previous classes, we discussed about fractions. In today's class also, I am going to explain about fractions only, children. Once again, I am explaining fractions. Okay. Once again, I am explaining about fractions only. Briefly, I will explain. Listen, children. Harshita, sit properly, Amma. Chintaputla Harshita. Where are you going? Come and sit properly. Harshita. Okay, first, what is the meaning of fraction? Once you revise fractions unit only. What is the meaning of fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Okay, fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. And from given figure, how to write fraction? How to show fraction. In figure, how to show fraction. And from given figure, how to write fraction. First, for example, I am taking one figure. Okay, this is the one of the figure. In this figure, how many parts are there? Say, children, how many parts? Yes, 6 parts are there. Parts 6 are there. Okay, 6 parts are there here. In these 6 parts, how many parts are shaded? 5 parts are shaded. So how can we write fraction form? What is the fraction form of shaded part? 5 by 6. Shaded part fraction is 5 by 6. Okay. Next, unshaded part of fraction. Unshaded part of fraction. How can we write the fraction form? Don't ask me. Unshaded part of fraction. 1 by 6, not 1 by 5, 1 by 6. Taken parts by total parts. Here taken parts 5, total parts are 6. So 5 by 6 is fraction. Next, unshaded parts, how many are there here? 1. 1 by total parts 6. 1 by 6. Unshaded part of fraction. One by 6. In these fractions, what is the numerator? What is the denominator? What is the numerator in 1 by 6? I am taking here 1 by 6 children. In this fraction, what is the numerator? What is the denominator? 1 is numerator, 6 is denominator. 1 is numerator and 6 is denominator. Okay. Next, in 5 by 6. In 5 by 6, what is numerator? What is denominator? Yes, 5 is numerator, 6 is denominator. 5.57. Rajput Ishwar. Harika raised a hand. Do you have doubt, Amma? Harika? Yes? Okay. In your mobile, keep it unmute and ask. Okay. What is your
Teacher,
doubt, Harika? Yes. Ask in English.
I have doubt, teacher.
Okay.
Classes timing not coming, teacher, to me.
Classes
Timing not coming, teacher.
for yours
To
not
me.
coming. Class timings.
Not teacher.
For your group not have.
Have, teacher.
But timetable not coming.
Hmm.
Okay. Evening you call me. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
After the class also you call me. Or
My father said.
Point I will talk
My
with.
father said and call, teacher.
Okay. I will ask you your class in charge. Okay, na? I will clarify your doubt. Okay. Next. Who is that boy? Maheshwaram Bharat. Do you have doubt, Nana? Bharat? Where is Bharat? Do you have doubt? On your videos first. Sadia? On your video? Okay. Ishwar? Okay. Charan Teja, Adnan, Kamampati Umesh, Shrutik. On your videos, Vaishnavi. On your video, sign it properly. Umesh, Panne Praneeth. Sakshi. On your videos. Okay, students. In 5/6 fraction, 5 is numerator, 6 is denominator. 5 is numerator. And 6 is denominator. This numerator is taken parts. Numerator is taken parts and denominator is total parts. Total parts. A fraction is a part of a whole. Next, from figure given, we have to write how to fraction form. A shaded part fraction form and unshaded part of fraction form also we can write from given figure. In this fraction, what is numerator? What is denominator? We know already. Okay. Next, numerator is taken parts and denominator is total parts. Okay. Next, this 1/6, we have to write 1/6. We have to write 1/6. Next, 5/6, we can write in words 5/6. 5/6. This is 1/6. This is 5/6. 5/6 inverse. How can we write it inverse? This is inverse writing. Next, this one also 1/6 is 1/6. Next, 5/6 is 5/6. Okay. Next, how can we write equivalent fraction? Okay, given fraction, how can we write equivalent fraction? Three by 5 equivalent fractions. 3 by 5 equivalent fractions. How can we write equivalent fractions? First, what is equivalent fraction? With division and with multiplication, we can write equivalent fractions. With division and with multiplication. Multiplication, you have to multiply by same number in numerator and denominator. Then we get equivalent fraction. For given fraction, with division also we get equivalent fraction. First here, 3 by 5. For 3 by 5, how can we write equivalent fractions? First multiply by 2. 3 into 2 and 5 into 2. Then 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. This is equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Okay, this is equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Next, 3 into 3 and 5 into 3. 3 3s are 9, by 5 3s are 15. 9 by 15 also equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Next, 3 into 4 and 5 into 4. 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. These are equivalent fraction of this fraction. Okay, 3 by 5 equivalent fractions are, okay, some more fractions also have. I written only here 3. You multiply by 5, then you get one more equivalent fraction also. Here 6 by 10, 9 by 15 and 12 by 20. These fractions are equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Okay. Last 5 minutes. Okay. Next. 7 by 5 and 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 6 by 5. How to write ascending order? In these fractions, how to write ascending order? Mahichan, stop talking first. Listen to me. Here given 7 by 5, 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 and 6 by 5. From these fractions, we have to write here ascending order. How to write in ascending order? First, these fractions are like fractions. Here denominators are same numbers are there. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Page number not among. In your textbook not have. I am explaining introduction. Just we will revise. Already this unit completed. Once again I am explaining about fractions. Once again I am explaining. From our textbook not explaining. Just own explaining. My own only explaining. Just listen. Okay. Here 7 by 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 6 by 5. You have to write in ascending order. You have to see first only numerators because here denominators are same numbers are there. Just you see only numerators. See numerators. In this numerators first, what is the ascending order? Ascending order means from smallest number to biggest number. Okay, from smallest number to biggest number. In these given numerators, which is the smallest number? Yes, 2 is smallest number. 2 by 5. Write first 2 by 5. Next one is 3 by 5. Next one is 6 by 5. Next one is 7 by 5. This is ascending order. Okay, this is ascending order. Ascending order. Descending order is from biggest number to smallest number. Same you have to see numerators and write it descending order. Okay. greater than or less than symbols. Three by 5 and 5 by 5. We have to put which symbol here? First you have to see only numerators. 3 and 5. Greater than symbol or less than symbol or equal to symbol? Less than symbol. 3 less than 5. 3 by 5 less than 5 by 5. That's why we have to put symbol less than. Okay? Did you understand about fractions? We revised once again. Already I explained exercise wise how to write fraction form, how to write numerator, what is numerator, what is denominator, how to write equivalent fractions, how to write ascending order and descending order, and how to put greater than, less than symbols, and addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions. These topics in your 7th unit fractions unit have. But once again I explained these topics. In fractions unit, if you have any doubt, raise your hand. Okay, Kanishka, do you have doubt? Okay, ask. In your mobile, keep it unmute and ask. What is your doubt?
Teacher, fractions, descending order, which like to teacher?
Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. Okay, biggest number to smallest number. You have to see only numerators. In these numbers, which is the biggest number? See once numerators, say only.
Teacher.
Say fast. In these numbers, which is the biggest number?
7, teacher.
7 by 5 is first we can write first of all. Okay, next fraction.
3, teacher.
Next biggest number. See, once you observe all numbers, 3 to 6. In these numbers, which is the biggest number?
6, teacher.
Yes. Next fraction is 6 by 5. Next.
3, teacher.
Okay, 3 by 5. Next one.
2, teacher.
5. This is only a descending order. Okay? Did you understand?
Understand, teacher.
Okay, next. Okay. Next, I want to say about worksheets, children. Once you listen to me, worksheets in our school giving worksheets. Those who are paid fees, those members come and collect your worksheets. Here worksheets. This is one worksheet. In this one, 15 days works have 15 days per day wise work is there. So you only complete your own this worksheet. First day, introduce the words are there for yours for 3rd class children. First day, introduce the words. That is maths day 1. Read new words. Okay, these are new words. Introduce words. Next to day 2, missing numbers are there. Day 2, missing numbers. How to write numbers in order. Okay, that one only have. Next to day wise, these like worksheet have. So you have to collect a worksheet. 3 months online fees you pay and you collect your worksheet. Those who are paying, today come and you collect worksheet also. Okay, we will give timetable in see timetable and you complete your worksheet within 10 days or 15 days. You take and you complete, and day wise you send to your subject teachers pics. Take pics and you send your subject teachers. And after 15 days, you come to school and you take correction. And on this 15 days worksheet, you have one exam also. That is, we will conduct and we will give marks. Okay. In this worksheet, if you have any doubt, you call me and you contact me. You ask me. Okay. Harika, do you have doubt? Okay, ask me. This worksheet is very useful to you children. And you take and you tell to your neighbors, next to those who are not listening online classes, you tell to that students also. You encourage them. Harika. Ask.
Teacher,
Hmm.
all subject worksheet is there, teacher?
In one worksheet, this book only has all subjects. Telugu, English, Mathematics, EVS. All subjects
Teacher.
worksheets are there. Okay?
All subjects లో ఉంటాయి.
All subjects have. Okay. Harshad. What is your doubt? Umesh.
వర్క్షీట్స్ ఎక్కడ రాస్తారు టీచర్?
Worksheets?
ఎక్కడ రాస్తారు టీచర్?
Here given place for you. Here only is there place. Every worksheet, every paper have for your work is their place.
That's no teacher. House ఇంటికాడ రాస్తారా?
Yes, for homework like only. Yes, in your home only, your own you complete. In your home only. You take and go and complete your home only. Day wise. And daily.
Amount teacher. Amount.
I did not understand. One second.
Amount teacher.
For this one amount, no need. Just you have to pay online fees only.
Okay, teacher.
Classes 3 months completed now. So you have to pay only 3 months online fees and you collect worksheet. You come and collect worksheet. Okay?
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher.
Okay? Did you understand?
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher.
We have to come to school and collect. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, children, I hope you understand fractions unit. And next in tomorrow class, I will explain Indian money unit. Okay, about Indian money in tomorrow class, I will explain. I hope you understand this class. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Okay, next, if you have any doubt, you call me. Okay. Thank you, children.